tree artists. Today, we're drawing a sparkly and magical, it's Christmas ball decorations. These cheerful ornaments brighten up Christmas trees and make everything feel festive and fun. Are you ready? Let's go! What's your favorite holiday memory? Does it include decorating the tree? Nice! That's wonderful! You can use edible decorations like candy canes and cookies alongside ornaments on a tree. I think I'm gonna like that. Did you know that in some cultures, ornaments are believed to bring good luck and happiness to the home? It is cool! Great! Our Christmas ball is already so festive and fun. Adding color makes it appear even more bright and cheerful. Let's make it happen with your favorite crayons or markers. DIY ornaments are a fun holiday activity where you can use recycled materials to create your own decorations. If you could design a Christmas ball, what special shape would you give it? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Glow-in-the-dark ornaments light up at night and make trees look magical. What kind of sparkle do you think makes Christmas balls look extra magical? Have you ever made your own Christmas decoration? What did you create? Nice! That's great to see! Do you think our decoration should have a holiday message written on it? What would it say? Wow, look at that! Our Christmas ball is so creative and full of holiday cheer. Share our creation. It might inspire them to make some decorations too. I really appreciate you drawing with me today. Until next time.